Good evening, everyone. This is Mohit Shankar, a trader as well as mentor. Now, what we do today is that I would show you the weekly trades and how we have fared this week. If you have seen on the 8th of Monday, I made one video and post which I don't get time or I'm not keeping well, I was not able to make the videos. Now, if you haven't watched the eighth video, you can go and check that. It is the later. It is the one the last video prior to this which I have posted. The eighth, if you see, we had made about 90 points. Now, the 90 points, if you're trading with 800 lot sizes, we have made about 71,000 rupees. We have made about 71,000. And on the ninth, if you see, we haven't taken any trade. So on the ninth, I didn't take any trade, and again on the 10th we made about 50 points profit. That roughly translates to about 45,000 rupees. Now this 71,000 or 45,000 is, I'm assuming, I'm taking 5 lakhs as your invested capital. 5 lakhs as your invested capital. This is the client account which we manage. Now if you want to have your account managed, the minimum amount what we take is 5 lakhs, but it has to be scalable to 10 lakhs within a month or so. Otherwise I don't take it, because it becomes it doesn't generate you good enough profits, as well as it is not because since we have get many inquiries, it doesn't become feasible for us to manage smaller accounts of 5 lakhs. But you can start with 5 lakhs, but on the condition that you would increase it to 10 lakhs in a month's time. So this is how. And then the 11th, if you see, we made a break even. We exited at break even, and some trades we did end up in making a loss of 7 to 8,000, minus 7,000, minus 8,000. This you can consider it as a 10 to 15 point loss. Now on the 12th, which I'm going to show it to you, we made an excellent, it was an excellent day. The market never gave a dip, and we made about close to 60 points. That again translates to 50,000 rupees. Now all in all, even if you see, so this is 71, this is or you just take it as 70, round it off, 45,000 and then 50,000. So this comes to around 5, 11 and 16, and subtracted by 10, 7,000. Although it is 7,000, you can add another minus another. So net to net we have made about anywhere above 1,50,000, which is close to 30 percentage of our invested capital the last this week. 30% is good enough profit in a week's time. With proper risk management, it's not that they were senseless trades, or it was just we were lucky. This is how we maintain the accuracy. So in point wise, we have made about roughly about 180 to 190 points in a week, which is excellent compared when we see Nifty. So this is how much we have made, and this is how much you will be able to make it if you get the account managed through Matis. So let me go back. Okay. Now if you see here, this is how has been the trade, and I will show you the candlestick. Let us go and analyze the candlestick. The candle what it has formed is a bullish candle. We had hit a low of 17,900, 920. From there we bounced back. And how did we bounce back? There was a short covering which was seen in the second half of the trade. So 12:30, and then the market rallied all the way till 18,100. Now how is this 18,100 becomes important is this: if you can see here, 18,100 and 10,120 was the point where it had reversed all the way till 17,820. Now the range, which is 18,120 till 17,800. Let me draw this by a resistance and a support and resistance line. This would be our resistance, which I usually prefer marking it in red. And this is investing.com. If you are very new, do consider subscribing to the channel so that you can learn, as well as if you would like to join the classes, you can say. See this one, this is the support which I would obviously be representing in the green. So this is how we have fared, and this is how the market has been. Now in all probability, if you see SGX, we are opening somewhere here 18,180 levels. Now the next resistance would be 18,330, and then again the next resistance will be an all-time high of 18,600. So would we cross this all-time high of 18,600 to make a fresh highs towards 19,200? There is a possibility. Now would we consolidate here for more time? We don't know, only the time would say. And the market is in a bullish frame of mind, but having said that, we have seen many days of short covering being drastically changing. The markets have changing the direction. So what you need to do is that always go with an unbiased mind. If you see that the short covering has happened Friday, it need not necessarily mean that the market would rally on a Monday. So don't go with that time frame. Always do your chart analysis, and as well as the fundamental, technical, whatever analysis it is comfortable for you. Use the indicators, the RSI or stochastic or William percentage, or the candlesticks, Ikanashi or the normal candle, to decide what you want to do, right? And just don't blindly take a trade just because the ending has been on a higher on a higher price. The ending or the close has been higher since so let me show it to you, the Telegram channel which I said that I will be. So this is the 8th of the November, wherein I have already posted the trade. You can check that on the YouTube video. This is on the 10th. Now 9th we did not trade, and the 10th, if you can see here, see we had a call options 17,800, and then we gave a buy, and then we target was 250 to 260. We bought around 190 190 200 levels, and then we made about 44,000 profit. It's just one account which I retain it, because there is no, doesn't mean that, because I handle more than about close to about 15 to 20 accounts, so I can't put all the accounts in here. So this is just the one account which I'm showing it to you. And then the Nifty 18,100 puts, this was on the November 11th. Although we were right, but we ended up making a loss of 7,000, as I told you, about 10 points. The buy price was 260, 259, and the sell price was 250. So 10 points loss that we more than made it up by the trade on 12th. Now 12th, if you can see here, see, this is November 12th. As you can see, this is November 12th. I have clearly mentioned that add 17,800 calls to your watch list, and then we bought it in the client accounts. So, and we made our profit of 52,000, which you see this one 254, and then selling price was 320. So about 70 points, 60-70 points, which is a good enough trade for us. The entire week has been excellent, with somewhere close to about 180 to 190 points, making about 30 percentage in the net profit post the brokerage and everything. So 5 lakhs investment would have yielded you 1.5 lakh. Probably in a month's time, if you maintain this pace, we might be able to double as well. So touch wood, let's see. The only thing which is consistent is that you need to be very sure of your risk management before taking any trade. Don't go behind the profits will happen. Just stick to your strategy and discipline. That's most important. That's it, guys. And if you would like to know anything, the number is displayed. You can send a WhatsApp message to the number. The team will respond to you. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.